Very good morning to my dear students. My name is Aruna Kumari, KCBB, Visakhapatnam, Chittoor district. Now, today I will discuss about Maths 2A, third chapter, quadratic expressions. So, last class will be continued. So, what is the definition of quadratic expression? A polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real and complex numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called quadratic expression. So, ఒక polynomial equation అనేది x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 ఈ ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంటూ x square కోఎఫిషియంట్ a, x కోఎఫిషియంట్ b, కాన్స్టెంట్ is c. ఈ a, b, c are complex and real and complex numbers and a is not equal to 0 is the quadratic expression. So last class lo meeru definition of quadratic expression and roots of the quadratic expression and sum of the roots and product of the roots are studied. So suppose alpha comma beta are roots of the quadratic expression. So sum of the roots, product of the roots, these are studied in the previous class and nature of the quadratic expression and discriminant of the quadratic expression. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now today I will discuss about minimum and maximum values of quadratic expression. So, quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a, b, c are real and complex numbers. We already know that. So, minimum and maximum values of quadratic expression. In case 1, if a is greater than 0, here a is called coefficient of x square. If a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum at ఇక్కడ x is equal to minus b by 2a. సో చూడండి ఇప్పుడు మనకి f of x అనే దాన్ని ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ని మనం ఈ పాలినామియల్ ని f of x అని అనుకుంటాము. ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ a. if a is greater than 0, a అనేది 0 కంటే ఎక్కువైతే then f of x is minimum. ఇక్కడ 0 కంటే ఎక్కువ అనుకున్నప్పుడు మనం మినిమం అనేది తీసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ లెస్ దెన్ 0 అంటే మాక్సిమం అని తీసుకోవాలి. if a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum at ఇక్కడ x is equal to minus b by 2a. Now the minimum value is minimum value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is a formula. If a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum at x is equal to minus b by a. Minimum value is 4a minus b square by 4a. So next is second condition. If a is less than 0, then f of x is maximum at x is equal to minus b by 2a. Now maximum value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4ac. So see once more, if a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum. A is greater than 0. A అనేది 0 కంటే అయితే then f of x is maximum at x is equals to minus b by 2a. Now the maximum value is 4a minus b square by 4a. Some example problems are these topic. Maximum and minimum values of quadratic expressions based on the problems of that topic. So, for example, find the value of x at which of the following expression have maximum and minimum. So, the questions are find the value of x. Name find out cheyali, x find out cheyali. At which of the following expression have maximum and minimum. ఈ రెండు ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో ఏది మాక్సిమం అవుతుంది, ఏది మినిమం అవుతుంది, ఎక్కడ అనేది మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇంత క్లాస్ నేను చెప్పాను కదా, a is greater than 0, f of x is ఏమవుతుంది, a is greater than 0 అయితే మినిమం. సో మినిమం అయితే సో if a is greater than 0 then f of x is minimum at ఎక్కడ x is equals to minus b by 2a. ఇప్పుడు మనకు అడుగుతున్న వాడు ఎక్కడ ఈ x వాల్యూ అనేది అడుగుతున్నాడు కానీ మినిమం వాల్యూ అని అడగడం లేదు కదా. సో ఫైండ్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x అంటారా అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, x is equals to minus b by 2a. ఇది మనం కనుక్కోవాలన్నమాట. సో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1 చూడండి. సో x square plus 5x plus c is equals to 0. This is in the form of quadratic expression. Here x square coefficient is 1. So comparing this equation with the quadratic expression. In for quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square coefficient is a, x coefficient b, constant is c. So compare these two terms. So a equal to a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 6. Next, find the value of x at which of the following expressions have minimum and maximum another. So on x కావాలంటే మన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, minus b by 2a is equals to minus b అంటే ఎంత, సో 5 by 2 into so a అంటే 1 minus 5 by 2 comes up 2. So x value is minus 5 by 2. Next, in the same manner, second question is 2x minus x square plus 7. 2x minus x square plus 7 is equals to 0. So ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ a అనేది ఇంతకు ముందు క్వశ్చన్ లో a is equals to 1 అనేది పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి a is greater than 0 అందుకని ఆ కండిషన్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత ఉంది, -1 అంటే a is equals to -1, b equal to 2, c is equals to 7. Here a is less than 0. a is less than 0 అంటే f of x is maximum. So f of x is maximum at x is equals to minus b by 2a. So x is equals to minus b అంటే ఎంత, 2 by 2 into a అంటే minus 1. So is equals to minus 2 by దీని 2x side and plus into minus is minus 2 ones are 2. So finally we get 1. So here maximum value will be adjust, that is 1. Find the maximum and minimum values of the quadratic expression. So ఇంతకు ముందు క్వశ్చన్ మీరు ఏమన్నారంటే find the value of x అని మాత్రమే అన్నాం. ఇక్కడ minimum and maximum values మనం ఏం చేయాలో find out చేయాలి. So here expression is 2x minus 11 sorry. So first question is student 2x minus 7 plus minus 5x square. This is in the form of quadratic expression. Here x square quotient is a. So a equal to minus 5, b equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. So comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, constant is c. A equal to minus 5, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 7. Find the maximum and minimum values of the quadratic expression. Here a equal to minus 5. If a is less than 0. Here a value అనేది 0 కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంది. So a is less than 0 అంటే minus 5 is less than 0. Then f of x is ఏమవుతుందా less than 0 అంటే maximum అవుతుంది. Maximum. And x is equals to minus b by 2a. This is formula. And మనకు కావాల్సింది maximum value. Maximum ఎక్కడ అనేది maximum value కావాలి కాబట్టి maximum value ఫార్ములా ఏమో maximum value equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is maximum value of f of x is equals to 4 into a. What is a? Minus 5 into c. C is minus 7. So minus b square అంటే 2 whole square by 4 into a. What is a? Minus 5. Okay. Next. See once more. Minus into minus is plus. Plus. 4 5s are 20. 27s are 140. Minus 2 2s are 4. Right? Plus into minus is minus 4 5s are 20. Next. 140 minus 4 136 by minus 20. 4 5s are 20. 27s are 140. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So 136 by 20. So 2 times 2 5s. Next 2 times 2 5s. Wait. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. Next 2 5s. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 34 by 5. Minus 1. So the maximum value is minus 34 by 5. Stop here. So second equation 3x square plus 2x plus 11 is equals to 0. This is the form of quadratic expression. Comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, b equal to 2, c is equal to 11. Here a is if a is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum. Then f of x is minimum. At x is equal to minus b by 2a. So a is greater than 0 అయితే f of x అనేది minimum అవుతుంది. X is equal to minus b by 2a అనే వాల్యూ దగ్గర మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? మినిమం అండ్ మాక్సిమం వాల్యూస్ కదా. సో అప్పుడు value is 4ac minus b square by 4a equal to 4 into a and what is a? 3. b 2 minus 4ac kada 4 a and 3 c and 11. Next b square and 2 square by 4a and 3 is equals to 4 3 is 12. 12 11 is 132. So 132 minus 4 by 4 3 is 12. Okay now. Next ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 132 minus 4 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుందా 128. So 128 by 12. 128 by 12. 2 6 are 2 6 are for 2 4 are. Next 2 3 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 32 by 3. So what is the difference between these two problems? In the previous question లో మీరు ఏం చేశారు find the value of x మాత్రమే అంటే ఆ x వాల్యూ బట్టి మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. find the maximum and minimum values అని అడిగినప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో find the maximum and minimum problems are exercise problems. The next question is, if the quadratic equations ax square plus 2bx plus c is equals to 0 and ax square plus 2cx plus b is equals to 0, here b is not equal to c has the common roots, then show that a plus 4b plus 4c is equals to 0. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం ఇచ్చారంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో the quadratic equations రెండు quadratic equations ఇచ్చారు. have the common root, ఈ రెండు quadratic equations కి కామన్ గా ఒకే ఒక రూట్ ఉంటుంది. అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి కండిషన్ ఏం చేయాలి show that the condition here b is not equal to c అవ్వాలి. సో చూడండి ఈ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా are the roots of quadratic equation అని నేర్చుకున్నారు. సో చూడండి ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఆర్ ది రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళేమంటున్నాడు హ్యావ్ ది కామన్ రూట్, ఈ రెండింటికి కూడా కామన్ రూట్ ఉంటుంది అంటున్నాడు. సపోజ్ లెట్ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ సొల్యూషన్. లెట్ ఆల్ఫా be the common root. So alpha be the common root of these two quadratic equations. So ax square plus 2bx plus c is equals to 0. This is one quadratic equation. Ax square plus 2cx plus b is equals to 0. This is another quadratic equation. Here x is variable in both cases. Let alpha be the common root of the quadratic equations. Now we can write alpha in the place of x. So a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Next, a alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2. So subtract 1 minus 2. So we finally ఏమొస్తుంది 1 ని 2 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే చూడండి a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఏ ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2c ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ b is equal to 0. ఏం చేయాలి? సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి here is minus, here is also minus, here is also minus. So a alpha square ki a alpha square ki cancel అవుతది. So 2b alpha minus 2c alpha c minus b equal to 0. So 2b alpha minus 2c alpha plus c minus b is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ కామన్ టర్మ్ ఏంటి? ఆల్ఫా. సో ఆల్ఫా ఇంకా 2 ఆల్ఫా కామన్ తీసేస్తున్నాం. b minus c plus c minus b. Next c minus b we can take right hand side, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So 2 alpha into minus b minus c. So plus c is minus c and minus b is plus c. Next we can write b minus c. So 2 alpha into b minus c is equal to b minus c. This b minus c is taken into right hand side. So 2 alpha is equal to b minus c by, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో వేస్తే డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది. సో 2 alpha is equal to రెండు ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ అయితే 1 వస్తుంది. alpha is equal to 1, 2 alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute alpha is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1 or in equation 2. We get this one. Suppose substitute alpha is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. We get 2 alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So 2 into alpha and 1 by 2 whole square plus 2b into alpha and 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. 1 by 2 whole square అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 1 by 4 plus 2 into b into 1 by 2. 2 ki cancel అవుతుంది. Plus c is equal to 0. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here 1 by 2 plus ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందా? b plus c is equal to 0. Next alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute alpha is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1 we get. So equation 1 ఏంటమ్మా? a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Here substitute alpha is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. a into alpha square అంటే 1 by 2 whole square plus 2b into alpha అంటే 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. 2 gets cancelled. So a into 1 by 2 whole square అంటే ఎంత అవుతుందా? 1 by 4 plus b plus c is equal to 0. We can write this as a into 1 by 4 అంటే a by 4 plus b plus c by 4. Here LCM is 4. So a plus 4 into b is 4b plus 4 into c is 4c is equal to 0. So equal side అయితే ఏమవుతుందా? 0. So a plus 4b plus 4c is equal to 5 is equals to 0. X square minus 12x plus p is equals to 0 are common root. Then find the value of p. ఇందాక మనం చెప్పిన థీరం ప్రకారమే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము మనం వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారన్నమాట. సో x square minus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is one quadratic equation and this is another quadratic equation. These two quadratic equations having common root. Then find the value of p. So suppose we have to take alpha is the common root of these two quadratic equations. Let alpha be the common root. So we have to write down x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 as x plus మనం ఏం రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి alpha. So x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. The next is x square minus 12x plus p is equal to 0. This can be written as alpha square minus 12 alpha plus p is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. మనకి ఇక్కడ equation number 1, 2 రెండు ఉన్నాయి. ఇవి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వీటి మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కనుక్కోవచ్చు. కానీ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 కి కనుక్కోగలం కానీ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 కి కనుక్కోలేం కదా. సో ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 నుంచి ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 సో ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ minus 6 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. Factors in this quadratic expression. So 5 factors 3, 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3, 2 are factors of this equation. So alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha minus 6 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation will be factorized. So factors are 6. 6 factors can be 5 ఒకటి 1 ఒకటి or 1 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So వీటిని ప్రోడక్ట్ చేస్తే 5 ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి, మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 6 కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. So we can write this as alpha square minus alpha minus 5 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. చూడండి minus alpha minus 5 alpha అంటే minus 6 alpha వస్తుంది. 1 5 5 వస్తుంది. 1 plus 5 is 6. So common ఏంటి అంటే alpha. Alpha common చేస్తే alpha minus 1. Here minus 1 is common. So minus 5 is common. So alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 5 into alpha is minus 5 alpha. Minus into minus is plus 5 ones are 5. So the common term is alpha minus 1 makes alpha minus 5 is equal to 0. Here alpha is equal to 1. Okay, alpha is equal to 5 is second value. So substitute alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 5 in equation 2. We get the value of p. Suppose substitute alpha is equal to 1 in equation 2. We get the value of p. The second equation is alpha square minus 12 alpha plus p equal to 0. This is the second equation. Replace alpha is equal to 1 in equation 2. So alpha is 1. 1 square minus 12 into alpha అంటే 1 plus p is equal to 0. 1 square is 1 minus 12 ones are 12 plus p is equal to 0. So 1 minus 12 is minus 11 plus p is equal to 0. So this 11 we take RHS side P is equals to 11. The value of P is 11. So once again, if x square minus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0, x square minus 12x plus P have common root, then find the value of P. Suppose alpha with a common root of these two quadratic expressions. So we can write x square minus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0 as alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 5 is equals to 0. X square minus 12x plus P is equals to 0 and alpha square minus 12 alpha plus P is equals to 0. From equation 1, the roots are alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 5 is equals to 0. Factor suggested 1, 5. So alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 5 is equals to 0. Here alpha is common. So alpha common is equal to 2 alpha so 1 alpha వెళ్ళిపోతే alpha ఉంటుంది. Alpha minus ఇక్కడ alpha అనేది common ఇస్తే 1 మిగులుతుంది. Here minus 5 is the common term. So here alpha minus 1 is equals to 0. The common term in both these two terms is alpha minus 1 into alpha minus 5 is equals to 0. Next alpha is equals to 1, alpha is equals to 5. Substitute alpha is equals to 1 in equation 2. We get alpha equal to 1 in equation 2. The equation 2 is alpha square minus 12 alpha plus b is equals to 0. Alpha square is 1 square minus 12 into alpha is 1 plus b is equals to 0. 1 square is 1 minus 12 into 1 is 12 plus b is equals to 0. 12 minus 1 is minus 11 plus b is equals to 0. Next b is equals to minus 1. Once again, alpha is equal to, substitute alpha is equal to 5 in equation 2. Substitute alpha is equals to 5 in equation 2. The equation 2 is alpha square minus 12 into alpha plus b is equals to 0. Alpha is 5. 5 whole square minus alpha is 5 plus p is equals to 0. 5 5 is 25. 12 5 is 60 plus p is equals to 0. 25